This video is about a beautiful country in the world, which is running on 100% renewable energy. Welcome to Iceland, the land of renewable sources of energy. Main sources of renewable energy are geothermal energy and hydropower energy. Since 1967, they have been harvested geothermal energy for electric production. The country is built on volcanoes, so they take advantage of its volcanic activity to access geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is very important in Iceland, which relies 100% on renewables for both electricity and house heating. Iceland is isolated from the rest of Europe, which made the import of oil expensive, so generating their own energy made them perfect. Iceland is relatively a small country. Their population is about 0.3 million, so they need not require huge amount of energy. The country now has cleaner air due to utilizing renewable sources of energy than fossil fuel. Electric vehicle ownership is growing quickly. Recently, there have been large investment in charging infrastructure for electric cars. Iceland's plan for the future is banning the sale of new petrol and diesel cars by 2030. Why I am talking about this country? This country is perfect example for us. They know how to use renewable energy. It's time to switch to a renewable source of energy than fossil fuel, since there are only limited stock of fossil fuel or such sources. Nature gives everything, but it does not mean that we should use it by destroying them. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.